विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Uday girls are going to give information about body parts. So let's start it.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Shagun. My topic is muscular system. Muscular system consists of various types of muscles that each play a crucial role in the function of the body. Muscles allow a person to move, speak and chew. They control heartbeat, breathing and digestion. Other seemingly unrelated functions, including temperature regulation and vision, also rely on the muscular system. The muscular system contains more than 600 muscles that work together to enable the full functioning of the body. There are three types of muscle in the body: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are the only muscles that can be consciously controlled. They are attached to bones and contracting the muscles causes movement of those bones. Any action that a person consciously undertakes involves the use of skeletal muscles. Example of such activities including running, chewing and writing. Smooth muscle. Smooth muscles lines the inside of blood vessels and organs, such as the stomach, and is also known as visceral muscle. It is the weakest type of muscle but has an essential role in moving food along the digestive tract and maintaining blood circulation through the blood vessels. Smooth muscles act involuntarily and cannot be consciously controlled. Cardiac muscle. Located only in the heart, cardiac muscle pumps blood around the body. Cardiac muscle stimulates its own contractions that form a heartbeat. Signals from the nervous system control the rate of contraction. This type of muscle is strong and acts involuntarily. Muscles make up approximately 40% of total weight. The heart is the hardest working muscle in the body. It pumps 5 quarts of blood per minute at 2000 gallons daily. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sneha. I'm going to tell about nervous system. What is the nervous system? Your nervous system is your body's command center. Originating from your brain, it controls your movements, thoughts and automatic response to the world around you. It also controls other body systems and processes such as digestion, breathing, etc. The main function of the nervous system are control of body's internal environment to maintain homeostasis. An example of this is the regulation of body temperature. Programming of spinal cord reflexes. An example of this is the stretch reflex. Memory and learning. Voluntary control of movement. What are the parts of the nervous system? The nervous system has two main parts. The central nervous system is made up of brain and spinal cord. Second, the peripheral nervous system is made up of nerves that branch off from the spinal cord and extend to all parts of the body. What are the functions of the central nervous system? The central nervous system is comprised of the brain, cerebellum and spinal cord, remaining neurons and associated cells, distributed throughout the body from the peripheral nervous system. The nervous system has three broad functions: sensory input, information processing, and motor output. What are the functions of the peripheral nervous system? The peripheral nervous system consists of the nerves and ganglia outside of the brain and the spinal cord. The main function of the peripheral nervous system is to connect the central nervous system to the limbs and organs. How do I control my nervous system? Stress also can affect your nervous system, but you can do a few things to manage it. First, exercise regularly. Second, give yourself permission to take a break. Third, spend quality time with family and friends. Fourth, meditate or practice mindfulness with yoga or other activities. What food are bad for nervous system? Sugar drinks, refined carbs, refined carbohydrate including sugar and highly processed grain such as white flour. Foods highly in trans fats, highly processed foods, aspartame, alcohol, fish high in mercury. Which fruit is best for nerves? Bananas, oranges, pomegranates, and prunes, which are good source of potassium, while milk, leafy green, and eggs are rich source of calcium. Vitamin B, vitamins B1, B2, and B6 help the nerves to send impulses from the brain to the body. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My topic name is eyes. The eyes is our organ of sight. The eyes has a number of components which include but are not limited to the cornea, iris, pupil, lenses, retina, macula, optic nerves, cornea, and vitreous. Thank you.
Bones. The bones present in the thick is the longest bone of the body. It is known as a femur. It has a ball-shaped head that can be fitted into a cavity formed by the pelvic girdle. The lower end of the femur is articulated with two-legged bones called tibia and fibula. At the knee, there is an additional bone called patella. The ankle and feet have a
The ear has external, middle, and inner portions. The outer ear is called the pinna and is made of rich cartilage covered by skin. Sound funnels through the pinna into external auditory canal, a short tube that ends at the eardrum.
Hello, my name is Amrika. My topic is lips. The lips are pliable, mobile, muscular folds that encourage the opening of the oral cavity. They contain the orbiculates, oris, and superior and inferior labial recesses and noves. The lips are covered externally by skin and internally by mucous membranes. Lips are soft, movable, and serve as the opening for food intake and in the articulations. Interesting facts about the lips. Lips have a natural pink color because the skin on your lips is thinner than the rest of your skin. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Shwani. I am here to tell you some information about liver. The liver is a large meaty organ that sits on the right side of the belly, weighing about 3 pounds. The liver is reddish brown in color and feels rubbery to the touch. Normally you can't feel the liver because it's protected by the rib cage. The liver has two large sections called the right and the left lobes. The gallbladder sits under the liver along with parts of the pancreas and intestines. The liver and these organs work together to digest, absorb, and process food. The liver's main job is to filter the blood coming from the digestive tract before passing it to the rest of the body. The liver also detoxifizes chemicals and metabolizes drugs. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Prerna. My topic is muscles. The muscular system is composed of specialized cells is called muscle fibers. Their predominant functions is contractibility. Muscles attached to bones or internal organs and blood vessels are responsible for movement. Nearly all movement in the body is the result of muscles contraction. Expectation of expectation to is are the action of sila, the phlegm on sperm cells, and amoeboid movement of some white blood cell, the integrate action of joint, bone, and skeleton muscles produce obvious movements such as walking and running. Skeleton muscles also produce more subtle movement that result is various facial expression, eyes movement, and expression respiration. Your muscles have the help your body work. Different type of muscles have.
Hello everyone, I am Rabia and I am going to tell you about teeth. So let's see.
So let's start. We must take care of our teeth. We must brush our teeth in the morning and at night. After every meal, we must rinse our teeth, then germs will not stay near the teeth. We must not eat too many chocolates and ice creams and bad things which harm our teeth. They are also bad for our teeth. The human teeth function to mechanically break down items of food by cutting and crushing them in preparation for swallowing and digesting. Humans have four types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars, which each have specific function. The incisors outcut of the food, the canines tear the food, and the molars and premolars crush the food. The root of teeth are embedded in the maxilla, upper jaw, or the mandible, lower jaw, and are covered by gums. Teeth are made of multiple tissues of varying density and hardness. Humans, like most other mammals, are deficient, meaning that the develop two sets of teeth. The first set, deciduous teeth, also called primary teeth, baby teeth, or milk teeth, normally eventually contains 20 teeth. Primary teeth typically start to appear around 6 months of age, and this may be distracting of and or painful for the infant. However, some babies are born with one or more visible teeth, known as neonatal with or natal teeth. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I will tell you about eyes. Eyes are very similar to cameras. Like cameras, your eyes take pictures of the world around you. These images are sent to your brain. The cornea is the clear layer covering the front of your eye. It focuses the light that comes into your eye, records clear images. Optic nerve. The electrical messages from the retina travels along the optic nerve to the brain. Basically, the optic nerve is a path that connects the eye and the brain. Green leaves vegetable like spinach are good for your eyes. Nuts, beans, carrot and oranges are also healthy for human eyes. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am going to tell you about heart. The heart is about the size of your fist, and this is very important organ. The heart is like a big pump made of muscles. It pumps blood in our body every minute of every day. The heart has four chambers, the left and right, atrium and the left and right, ventricles, red apples, avocados, green leaves, vegetables, and tomatoes are good for your heart. Pizza is not good for heart. Pizza had amount of sodium and fat. All of this can risk of a heart attack. Thank you.
Everyone, my topic is kidneys. Which things is good for kidneys? Water is the best thing to drink for kidney health because it gives your kidneys the fluids they need to function well. Drink 4 to 6 glasses of water every day for optimal kidney health. Eating fresh ingredients that are naturally low sodium, such as cauliflower, blueberries, whole grains, etc. Which thing is bad for kidneys? Dark color soda, avocados, whole wheat bread, brown rice. Thank you.